How to install Startup Show on Firestick. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can install Startup Show using your Firestick TV. Now Firestick TV has actually a built-in app store. All I have to do is to pull up App Store and you should be able to look for Startup Show. However, if your smart TV or your Firestick TV does not have a built-in app store, what you want to have to do is to use up your browser and download the APK version of the downloader app. Once you successfully install it on your Fire Stick TV, then that's going to be your tool to download the third-party application. You simply use the search box or the URL box so that they will give you the file that you want to download. Just simply type in the full link of Startup Show and you should be able to download and install it. And that's it. That is how you properly install Startup Show on Fire Stick.